welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel. Okay, welcome back. Hey, as you can see, I got the car jacked up here because I was just cleaning up the undercarriage and all that. There's a bit oily under there, so I just gave it a wash, and something I like to do sort of regularly, maybe yearly. But anyway, this video is about these little side indicators here. I got little LED ones. It'll just be a little quick install for these. I'll just give you a closer look. As you can see, these ones are a little faded, and that should look a lot better, and it's LED. So let's get to it. Okay, so it's pretty easy to pop these out. You just gotta, I didn't know this, but if you look on this bit, you can see that it's just angled a little bit there. So you push it that way, it'll pop out. So you push it this way, be careful not to scratch the paint, and then it just pops out very easily. Unplug this. Yeah, it looks like the new one didn't come with the plug that fits in that, but it probably came with the plug that fits in that. So just get that out. Alright, well, that was a little bit tricky. Anyway, that came out. There's just this little tab holding it in. Now I presume we pull that out. Yeah, and that'll be where we can plug this one into, right there. Plug that in there like that. Pop that in there like that. Maybe I'll just give that a little wipe. Right, tuck that up in there, and then just pop this back in. And there it is. Let's pop the indicators on. And it's not working, so probably this has to go around the other way. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Alright, that looks nice and bright. Like that. That looks awesome. Alrighty. Same on the other side. That's the job done. Thanks for watching, and I guess we'll just leave it at that, because that was nice and easy, short video, and cool little upgrade. Thanks for watching. See you next time.